Hey everyone, how to identify male and female flowers of a squash plant. Alright, let's dig in. That's a male flower. This is a male flower, as you can see. Let's look inside. That's a male flower. This is a female flower. And how can you say? You see, look carefully. Underneath the flower is a small fruit. Once the female flower is fertilized by the male flower, the fruit will become the squash. Depending on your species, it could be either a cantaloupe or cucumber or any other squash, or honeydew melon, or even watermelon. Let's look closer. All right. Oh, that's a male flower. Actually, on top of it, I was hand pollinating it. Let me remove the male flower. I forgot to remove it. So that's a female flower, as you can see inside. Let's zoom in. That's the inside of the female flower, and that's the little fruit underneath. That's female flower. And again, this is a male flower. Let's zoom in. You can see the difference between male and female flowers inside. That's the male flower, and underneath the male flower you don't really see a fruit size anything underneath, so that means this is a male flower.